You feel nervous whenever you go to a public speaking assignment of yours. It makes me nervous too. But there are some tips which I learned yesterday which I want to share with you, and it is going to help you get rid of your nervousness. So, first of all, why do you feel nervous? There are a lot of reasons. Let me say one reason about it, and it is that you know a lot of unidentified faces in front of you. You don't know anybody, so this makes you nervous that no one is knowing me, and what am I going to say to them? Are they going to relate to it, or they are going to get bored of it? So this is one of the reason for getting nervous. Now to get rid of this nervousness, you have to get acquainted with few of the people before the starting of your session, that is speaking session. So what it will do, it will make you comfortable with knowing your audience and also knowing what they have come to listen from you. So this way you are going to speak for them, and while you are speaking you have got few familiar faces, so you can maintain eye contact with them. You don't have to stare continuously on them. That way it is going to frighten them. And try moving faces to your eyes to other faces in random manner. It will make you comfortable in a way while speaking, and also create a connection. This way you will get rid of nervousness. Now let me share another tips which I learned yesterday, and it is always look straight whenever you are speaking. It will make you look confident, because when you bend your back front, it is you just have to, whenever you feel nervous you will obviously look down. But when you are straight as a bamboo, that way you, it will be very awkward for you to look down, and you will be continuously looking in front, and it will make you appear as a very confident person while speaking. And also uh, the audience will be able to connect, because through your confidence which you are radiating from you, it is going to connect in a proper way. The thoughts which you are sharing has to go. Okay, just I remembered one of another tip which I learned yesterday, and it is while you are speaking, just slow down for a moment, just take a pause. What it does, it makes you time to take a breathe, deep breath in, deep breath out, and it fills your lung with all the air required to get over the tension or the nervousness which you are facing right now. Take a sip of water just in that pause. What it does, it rehydrates your throat, and you don't feel choked out while you're speaking, and your nervousness will not appear while you are speaking. So this way you can take care of your feeling of nervousness while you are speaking as a public speaker or as a guest speaker in front of your colleagues in the office. So let me revise and share again what all three tips which I shared with you today. Always look straight. Never try to bend your back forward while you are speaking. It makes you look confident, and it makes an instant connect with the audience sitting in front of you. The second tip which I shared today was uh, okay, practice knowing someone in the audience right in the beginning. This way what you will do, you are going to pick some familiar faces, and you are not going to feel nervous while you are speaking. This way you are going to speak to them, but in a proper way without feeling nervousness. And the third thing was, okay, I'm just looking at my notes which I prepared yesterday. So just slow down while you are speaking. This way, what you do, you take a time to pause and take time to reflect upon things which you are going to share after some time. And during meantime you can also take a sip of water to rehydrate yourself, and so that you don't feel choked down. Okay, these are the three tips which I learned yesterday, which will help you get rid of nervousness. Practice it on daily basis, which I too am doing on the daily basis. And the improvement which I feel upon watching my previous videos which I had posted regularly on each day since last 10 days is making me more confident day by day, and I can express my feelings in a proper way. So this way going forward, I'll be keep sharing with you all the techniques and tips through about public speaking, ways to groom yourself, and ways to earn more passive income in your life through the online marketing field. So this way, keep following my channel, and we'll see you along with me on this path of becoming a repeat millionaire by the end of 2021, which I have put a goal for myself, and I'll be certainly achieving it at all cost. So that's all for me today. I'll be coming again tomorrow with new learnings for you, and obviously for me, which is going to take me places, and I would not want you to be left behind. So keep following with all the tips and techniques, keep practicing this. At least if you don't follow all the tips, just follow one, and it is going to take you forward in the days coming ahead. So we'll be back again with tomorrow's video and learnings. So that's all from me. Bye bye for today.